Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can use ChatGPT for email marketing. And it is going to be a short tutorial, but if you want a detailed tutorial, you can always comment down below. Our team will be happy to help you. So let's see how we can utilize ChatGPT for email marketing. And all you have to do is just give as much detail as possible about your email and what you are going to tell your customer and how you are going to reach your customer using your emails. The more details you will provide ChatGPT, the better the response you will get from ChatGPT. Suppose a brand is launching a new product and they want the existing customers to receive this email and check out the new product and see the other details. So for that we will write. So after giving all the details about your email, you can just simply hit enter. And after that, ChatGPT will get to its work. And after that, all you have to do is just wait for it to complete, and then you can just simply make changes to it according to yourself. But ChatGPT will provide you the structure for your email and what's the best way you can save more time and get some ideas from ChatGPT. So this is how ChatGPT can help you with your email marketing. And then you can just copy this email and make changes to it and use other email marketing platforms like MailChimp and get your emails marketed. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.